May 27, 2021, Mercury approaches Venus the evening before a close conjunction of the two planets. This is the closest visible grouping of the two planets until 2033, although over 24 groupings occur during the interim. Tonight is Sirius Cosmic Setting. It sets at sunset. The moon is visible low in the southeast at 3 hours after sunset. Chart caption: 2021, May 27, 45 minutes after sunset, brilliant evening star Venus, Mercury, and Mars are in the western sky. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 5:21 a.m. CDT, sunset, 8:16 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. This evening Sirius sets at sunset. The star sets 4 minutes earlier this evening. While its setting does not coincide with sunset, this is the smallest interval between the setting of the sun and the star. The difference is 2 minutes. Sirius returns to the morning sky during mid-August. That event is known as the heliacal rising. This evening's event is the cosmic setting. 45 minutes after sunset, brilliant Venus is 5 degrees above the west-northwest horizon. Mercury, 1 day before its close conjunction with Venus, is 1.2 degrees to the upper left of Earth's twin. Chart caption: 2021, May 27, through a binocular, Mercury is 1.2 degrees to the upper left of brilliant Venus. The star Elnath is 5.0 degrees to the upper right of Mercury. The planet might be visible with the unassisted eye, but a binocular is helpful to identify the elusive planet. The star Elnath is 5.0 degrees to the upper right of Mercury. Tomorrow evening's close conjunction is the closest of the two planets until 2033. About 30 conjunctions of the planet duo occur in the interim. One is very close, but it occurs near the Sun and it is not visible under conventional means. Mars is 26.5 degrees to the upper left of Mercury to the lower left of Pollux, one of the Gemini twins. The red planet continues its eastward march through the constellation. The bright moon is visible in the southeast about 3 hours after sunset. Articles and summaries. Venus as an evening star. Venus evening star, summary Mercury during May 2021. Mars during 2021, summary Mars during May 2021. Planets during May 2021. Venus sets 80 minutes after sunset, followed by Mercury 5 minutes later. Mars sets 199 minutes after sunset. Detailed note: 1 hour before sunrise, the bright moon, 15.6D, 99%, is over 14 degrees above the southwest horizon, 9.3 degrees to the upper left of Antares. Farther eastward, Saturn is less than 1/3 of the way up in the south-southeast. Saturn is slowly retrograding in Capricornus, 0.6 degrees to the right of Theta Cap. Saturn reversed its direction less than a week ago. Jupiter, moving eastward in Aquarius, is 17.7 degrees to the lower left of Saturn. The Jovian giant is the brightest star in the region. With the moon's brightness, use a binocular to see this giant planet pair against the distant stars. This morning, Jupiter is 2.5 degrees to the lower left of Iota Acher, 4.2 degrees to the lower right of Theta Acher, and 4.4 degrees to the upper right of Sigma Acher. Sirius sets at sunset, with the star's setting time changing 4 minutes each evening and the sun's setting time changes a minute each day. This is the date with the shortest interval between sunset and star set, 2 minutes. During the early evening, Venus, Mercury, and Mars line up along a diagonal line. Begin looking with a binocular about 30 minutes after sunset. Brilliant Venus is nearly 8 degrees up in the west-northwest. Mercury, M equals 2.0, is 1.2 degrees to the upper left of Venus. 15 minutes later, Venus is over 5 degrees up, while Mercury is over 6 degrees above the west-northwest horizon. Note that Venus is 4.6 degrees to the lower left of Elnath. At this hour Mars is less than 1/3 of the way up in the west in front of the stars of Gemini. By 1 hour after sunset, Venus is 3.0 degrees up in the sky, while Mercury is about 4 degrees in altitude. In the darker sky, note that Mars is between Delta Gem and Kappa Gem. The red planet is 2.7 degrees to the upper left of Delta Gem, 3.3 degrees to the lower right of Kappa Gem, and 5.8 degrees to the lower left of Pollux. 3 hours after sunset, the moon, 16.4D, 95%, is nearly 8 degrees above the southeast horizon. 2021, May 27, bright morning moon, planets. May 27, 2021, the bright moon is in the west this morning, near the star Antares. Bright Jupiter and Saturn are in the southeast before sunrise. 2021, May 26, lunar eclipse, morning worlds. May 26, 2021, this morning a lunar eclipse occurs. Your view of event depends on your location. Better views are farther west in the US and Canada. Australia, New Zealand, and the Pacific Ocean experience the entire eclipse. Bright morning planets Jupiter and Saturn are in the southeastern sky. 2021, May 26, approaching Venus, Mercury conjunction. May 26, 2021, evening star Venus, Mercury, and Mars are in the western sky after sunset. The Venus-Mercury conjunction is 2 nights away. Use a binocular to see the brilliant planet and dimmer Mercury. Mars continues its march through Gemini to the lower left of Castor. 2021, May 25, evening star Venus, Mercury, Mars. May 25, 2021, evening star Venus, Mercury, and Mars are in the western sky after sunset. Mercury is coming off its best evening appearance of the year. Mars is marching eastward in Gemini. The bright moon is in the southeast during the early evening near the star Grapheus. 2021, May 25, morning planets, Jupiter, Saturn. May 25, 2021, the bright moon is in the southwest this morning. Bright Jupiter and Saturn are in the southeastern sky before sunrise. Jupiter, brighter than all the stars this morning, is moving eastward among the stars of Aquarius. Saturn, to the upper right of Jupiter, is retrograding in Capricornus.